This is Chris Walker at Orr Auto Mall in Russellville, and I have a 2019 Honda CR-V here that has a maintenance light on, and so I want to demonstrate how to reset that if you don't get it done when you have your oil change, so that you can have your reminder later on. And you see it says there, maintenance due soon. So we've done our maintenance on this, and it still says that. So we're going to go to the main radio screen, and we want to go to the home button, and we want to go to settings, and we want to go to vehicle, and then you're going to scroll down to maintenance info, and you see it says oil life is at 10%, A7. So we need to reset the brake fluid and also the oil life. So we're going to choose the engine oil. We're going to reset that. We're going to go back to maintenance, and it says oil and filter. That's been done. So we're going to select basically all due items, reset, and that should get us set for everything done there. Whoop. Cancel on that, go back to the oil and filter, reset there, and we're good. So now we come over here and see that the maintenance soon is off, and you are ready to go for another round to your next oil change. This is Chris Walker at Orr Auto Mall in a 2019 Honda CR-V. Thank you so much and have a very blessed day.